Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Lightzone is not available on Ubuntu-based repositories, so we will add the personal package archives with running the following command. Once the PPA added, install Lightzone with running the command below. Launch Lightzone application from the terminal by using the next command. Also, you can launch it by searching on Lightzone in System search bar or by icon. Lightzone will be launched. That's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments.